Welcome to this video about how to earn money with YouTube. YouTube is a great platform that allows you to share your passions and potentially earn money while doing so. In this video, we will be discussing 7 proven strategies to make money with YouTube. Strategy number 1 is to become a YouTube partner. YouTube partners have access to various monetization features like ads, merchandise, and memberships. To become a partner, you need to meet the eligibility requirements such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Strategy number 2 is brand deals. In exchange for promoting a product or service, brands may pay you for a mention or review in your videos. To get started with brand deals, you will need to build relationships with brands relevant to your niche. Strategy number 3 is merchandise. You can sell merchandise like t-shirts, stickers, and phone cases on your YouTube channel. This is a great way to monetize your audience and express your creativity. Strategy number 4 is crowdfunding. Websites like Patreon and Kickstarter allow your fans to contribute financially to your content creation. In exchange, you can offer exclusive perks and rewards. Strategy number 5 is to sell digital products. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can sell digital products like ebooks, courses, and webinars on your YouTube channel. Strategy number 6 is sponsorships. Similar to brand deals, sponsorships can provide a substantial amount of income. Companies will pay you to sponsor their products or services. Strategy number 7 is affiliate marketing. You can offer affiliate links to products in your video description and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. That wraps up the 7 proven strategies to make money with YouTube. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and dedication. Stay consistent and be yourself, and success will come. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to grow your YouTube channel and earn money.